All right, happy Sunday to you. Let's go outside and take a look at my work today, actually this whole weekend. And it has to do with the fence. I have been busier than a beaver getting this fence all prettied up. And one thing that you notice is that the galvanized steel posts are brown. So I went down to Lowe's this morning at 8 o'clock and got some of this Paint Primer 2X Ultra Cover Espresso Brown rattle can and painted these posts. And it was kind of I don't know how you describe it. It wasn't bad, but in order to keep the the overspray when you're spraying here, I use cardboard templates, and that way I don't spray paint the cedar here. And it turned out pretty good, pretty darn good. And this morning I went to town on the baseboards. That was my number one goal today. And then once I got the staining done on the baseboards, I looked at the posts and it looks so damn tacky with the shiny steel. So I used the weed eater and trimmed back all the overgrowth, and then stomped down with my feet, and then took a broom and brushed all of it off, and then I took the leaf blower to blow all the dust and crap off, and then I got the town staining. It didn't take maybe an hour to do that, but yeah, that was a lot of work. I went through about probably about 5, and then I bought 4 more, and I have like 2 left over, so I don't know, 6-7 cans of spray paint to do all these steel posts. Turned out real good. And I got this painted here. I love this lawn decoration. Got the John Deere windmill going pretty. I got behind the solar panels and did all the posts here all the way down. Those are all painted now, you can see. There's a plane right up there. They've been doing probably ATC radar checks, but that looks like a private jet coming into Norman right there. Let's go over here. I still got to button up all the wires here for these solar panels, and I'm more than likely going to take these solar panels down and paint the brackets brown, because these kind of stick out now a little bit. But just got a little bit dangle going on here. Then down here, got this all straightened up. These are concrete filled galvanized steel stockade posts. They are not going anywhere. Here, I'll show you. See here? It's concrete. And I did that for strength along this fence line for the solar panel array. Let's go down here and I'll show you. Oh, the hot tub's working great. Put up a couple more solar motion sensor lights. I got them set for dusk to dawn. Op lights are working good. And down here, painted all this, stained. And lastly, I still have a little bit of stain left. I need to do the gate, but I also concrete filled, there's 2 of them. There's one on this side and one on the other side. I concrete filled these posts too for strength, and this thing has never worked better. Nice and strong gate. So there you have it. My backyard, all ready for winter now. Growing season is done, so it'll be ready for spring. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.